baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company?
Hey friends, it's your girl Donnie B, and welcome back to yet another laundry routine. At this very moment, everyone is asleep, and so I wanted to take advantage of this time and wash as many loads as I could. Also, I had a previous subscriber request that I show you guys me restocking all of my laundry products. I did purchase some new products that I have not tried before, and I will be showing those to you. Also, in this laundry routine, I want to do something a little different. I'm not going to do any talking. I'm just going to let you guys listen to the music and watch me do some laundry. So without further ado, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out when I post and upload. Now to my laundry day.
Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. 'cause I can't help myself. Would you call on me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried.
So on tonight, I was only able to get 3 loads washed and dried. I did get a chance, as you can see, to fold up some clothes and put those up. But though I did not finish all the loads, I had 2 more loads left. I am perfectly fine. I feel accomplished. And so I will tackle those in another day. So have a great day.
Time out to be and live my life.
Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Donny B TV. On your way out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy your day.